Welcome to ACE Software Solutions. Our PPAP management system helps you store and manage PPAP documents effortlessly. Let's get started with the registration and submission process. Open the PPAP management link in your web browser. Click Get Started to begin. Then click Need an Account? Register. On the Create an Account page, enter your email address, password, and confirm password. Next, type your full name and phone number. If you agree to our terms of service and privacy policy, check the box to proceed. Then, click Register. A verification email will be sent to your inbox. Open the email and click Confirm your email. Once verified, return to the PPAP management page. Click Get Started and enter your registered email and password to sign in. To start a new PPAP submission, click New Submission. Enter the required details: part number, part name, revision level, and submission level. Click Create Submission. Now, click Upload Document and add the necessary files. Once done, click Close. To make changes, click Edit. Update details. Then, click Save Changes. To view your submission, check the details on the submission page. To download your report, click Download PDF and open the report. That's it. You have successfully completed the process. Innovative solutions, exceptional results. Thanks for watching.